to pack for Boracay. We are leaving tomorrow morning. We just got home from a haircut, as you can see. And yun, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! On our way to the airport. Boracay na! Hintayin lang namin yung bus. Then, we are on our way to the hotel. Sakay pa tayo ng isa pang van. One more step. We're here! Just arrived here in the hotel and hanapin lang namin kung saan yung registration ng e-com Island. There.
Gutom na ako.
I'm so hungry. Mag-unboxing ka ng e-com Island kit.
Okay, so what we have here is the e-com Island kit. Welcome kit. So let's open it up. So here's what we get. A pen. A standard notebook. We get empanada. What do you call this?
Daming snacks ang saya.
Something white cookie. So sugary white cookie.
What's that? Bongbong.
Dried.
Parang caramelized
banana.
with sesame seeds. We also got shirts. We were welcomed by Ayla kanina. In-assist niya kami sa registration. We are really hungry right now. Mamaya, di ko sure kung magpapa-room service tayo ng food or punta na lang kami ng restaurant. Room service! Yes. Pagpasok, on your left is the bathroom. Sink, shower, hungry me. Oh, may bidet. May bidet. Check. Ooh, look at this. My environmentalist friends hair and body wash in one. And wala sila masyadong, at least these ones are lessened kasi meron ng ganito. Paglabas is a full-length mirror.
Check mo yung labas, maganda.
And ang pagod kong asawa, ang gutom kong asawa. Ito yung view. Ganda dito. Parang sobrang bagong hotel pa niya. And it's really, really nice. Papunta tayo ng restaurant ngayon. Hanap tayo na kakainan. I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes.
I am. Super. Day 1 outfit. Suotin daw tong e-com shirt. My probably 7-year-old skirt.
Good morning!
I love my husband. Good morning! It's day 2 here in Boracay and work na kami agad. Breakfast lang kami saglit and then it will be a day of trainings. Hello! It's 7:40 na ng gabi. Kakatapos lang ng mastermind. And Papunta na kami ngayon for dinner. Wala, chami-chami ulit. Naubusan na kami ng English. Good morning. It is day 3 here in Boracay. Last night we just had dinner and pool party kahit sobrang lamig. Sobrang namiss ko mag-swim. And right now is day 2 of the training and we are just heading down for breakfast. This is my outfit for today. Arte. I bought this from Numad Clothing. Good morning! It is day 4 here in Boracay and we are finally going to the beach after all the work and brainstorming and mastermind. Sobrang dami naming natutunan and more than that, I'm really happy with the new friendships we had and new future partnerships we have as well. So, yun. Today is a polka dot day. Sobrang haba ng corridor dito. Lalo na nilalakad namin before the elevator. British lift. Benchmarks. I'm so proud na nakagising kami before 7. Kasi natapos kami kagabi mga 1 a.m. na.
I'm with Rizza, you know. I mean, when I saw her the first time, I was like, hey, you look familiar. I saw you on my feed.
She also has a very great brand called Silhouettes. You have to check it out. Please. Such a wonderful pleasure to meet you so much.